Okay, I just took a long position on rim here. It's come down to this, almost touched the 55 area and then bounced a little bit. So I'm just looking for 25, 30 cents. Quick trade only. Uh, Only taking 100 shares, 52.26. So, been been trading. Haven't really traded the open in a while. It's only 10 o'clock now, so it's kind of the open. But been trading some other times a day, and been getting some profit on my trades. But I think I've been looking for too much on certain times because I've been getting 30 cents, 35 cents, and I haven't been taking it. And then it's been moving down, and I've been taking the scratch trade. So I'm trying to maybe take less out of the trade and just build up, some capital and some winning momentum, and then try to think about the chart after I make the good trade. So going to try to reduce some of the profit that I take percentage-wise of the price that is. So like I said, just looking for 25, 30 cents here out of rim for about. The hot sector today is definitely the banks, though. It's broken out of a 6-month range on a daily chart. So I haven't traded any banks yet, but see if one makes a good opportunity. So I'll pause here and see if we get a. Okay, I added another 100 shares, and I put an order out to sell at 55.49. So that would be my 30-cent gain that I'm looking for. So just hope I get hit. And I'll just put the video on pause again. Okay, I just got filled there at 55.47. Actually moved it down 2 pennies. Just having a tough time. Then it kind of went back up, but not a big problem. That was a 28-cent profit, or $56 with 200 shares. Rim. Sorry, let me figure out when I got in. That was rim. Long 55.19 out of 55.47. So just a quick trade there. 200 shares. I said before, trying to just take smaller moves so I don't lose them at times, because I've been kind of misjudging how far the move can go at times, so and not taking any profits. So I'm trying to just build some capital and just take smaller moves. That's what I'm going to focus on for probably a few weeks. Okay, so let's see if we get anything else today. Just so you can see why I took the trade, I did come into this level here from yesterday, where the cursor is. So still going higher, but that was the reason behind the trade. So that's it. Okay, I just took a short position on PNC here against 59. This is purely based on the fact that it's, I think the bulls are tight. It's gone from 56 to 59. This stock has not normally moved that much. It's got higher volume, but I'm just playing this for a quick pullback. That's about it. Not looking for a huge down move. So I got 200 shares short of 58.88. I'll be out above if it gets above 59. Okay, so I got my 30 cents here, 33 cents. I'm just going to go ahead and take it for my profit. So that was PNC short, 58.87, covered at 58.56 for a $64 gain on 200 shares. And this was based purely on the fact that the stock, you can see it broke out. It's a very nice breakout here. As I said before, there's some news out yesterday from the banks, and anyway, with all the news coming out, the banks were pretty the only lagging sector in the entire market for the past few months, and so it broke out. And so this thing broke out, had a nice move up, as you can see here. But, it went from 56 to 59, and these things can't go forever, usually, so I shorted against that whole number, and it worked out pretty well. But I'll show you what I was talking about. Let's see, XLF tracks, this is the financial ETF, so it has a group of a basket of different financial stocks. And if we look at the daily chart, you can see here it has been in this channel for 6-7 months, and finally you can see we broke out hugely. So this was nice. You know, you could have played it either way, long or short. Lately I haven't really been playing the momentum like, so I'm normally trying to fade moves. But you could have easily went long. You can see XLF here on the intraday chart, just having a huge move. Look at like Goldman Sachs, huge move, 166 went all the way to 170. J.P. Morgan, you can see yesterday. This is yesterday's action. Just had a huge move when some news came out, and it followed through. So anyway, I took the other side of the trade in this one. You could, like I said, you could easily try to catch PNC on the up move, which was obviously a bigger move, but not really focused on that style of trading for a few months now. So maybe I'll get back into that sometime. But I've just been fading this move, so this was good enough for me. And see if we get any other trades today. Okay, I took a short position on me here, a coal stock. Same idea as before. I had a huge run up into this whole number, and I think it's going to be a little bit tired. Just taking small trades today, so makes it a little bit easier. So I'm looking for less profit. So like I said, looking for maybe 25-30 cents again. See if I can get it. Tight stops though, right above 44. I'm out. Okay, got my 25 cents in the trade here. Gonna go ahead and see if I can buy right above the bid here. Okay, that was me short 43.95, covered at 43.68 for a 27-cent gain, or $54. Show you the chart here. You can see this thing. I was actually, to be honest, I was waiting to go long here early in the morning. I'll show you why, probably because of the daily chart. You can see this thing was flagging up here, and I knew if it was going to get above 43, it was going to break out. So I was actually waiting to go long here at 42.50, and the market opened, and everything else was ripping. And this thing, you can see, these are 10-minute candles, just kind of petered out. And I was waiting to get long at 42.50, but I got sidetracked, and it took too long to get there. And then it would have been a really nice move up. But once again, I played the other side of the move. It went from 42.40 all the way up to 44. I knew it was a nice, it was going to pull back a little bit. So I once again took the other side of the trade. But I was looking to go long initially and just couldn't keep my focus on the chart, and it went away and looked at other stuff. But had I been waiting, I would have got in at 42.50. And what I might do next time is actually just put an order out to get filled at 42.50, so I don't have to actually sit here and watch it all day. But anyway, so that's what happened there. And not sure if I'm going to trade anymore. See if someone else happens. Seems to be some opportunity today with the markets being in such a bullish momentum. There's lots of positions that are going to get tired, or you can maybe look for a long position as well. All right. Okay, I took a short position on FCX here, 200 shares once again against the whole number at 107. So you can see how it acts here. Okay, I got my 40 cents here. I'm going to go ahead and take it. There I am, filled 106.48, filled. That was FCX, short 106.88, covered at 106.48 for a 40-cent gain. I was looking for 40 cents to the 30 cents because it's a higher price stock, $106 compared to the other one was $40. But those other ones gave me 40 cents too had I held longer, but was actually trying to hold specifically on this one longer. Anyway, so I think that's it for the day. You can see I had 5 trades today, up 267. It's around 10 o'clock where I live, so not a bad day. Made for a lot of opportunity today with the large up moves to fade them, or you could have actually played the momentum and rode them up, which would have been bigger moves. But whatever gets you paid, you know, that's what you got to do. So I think I'm going to call it a day, and have a nice weekend. But let me just show you FCX again here. This thing broke out too huge, but once again, just kind of playing on the fact that these stocks are going to get tired eventually. And, you know, 107 went from 103 to 107. It was up nicely. Volume, you can see it hit 107, then it started going sideways, and then the volume was slowing up, and so I just got short with a stop right over there.